Hello everybody, today we are back with another recipe which is a very simple and easy to make. It's got very few ingredients. We're going to make Zarda, which is basically sweet rice. Here I have got half kg of basmati rice which has been soaked in water for about half an hour. Also I have here half kg of white sugar, caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of yellow food coloring, a quarter teaspoon of salt, about 6 green cardamoms and 6 cloves, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and about half a cup of ghee or clarified butter. And these are all obviously would go fruit and nuts in the sweet rice once the rice has been boiled. So I'm going to strain these rice and put them in the boiling water which I've already put on the hob, and I'm going to add food coloring and the salt in the water. And cardamom and cloves as well. Okay, I have strained the rice and I'm going to add them in the water and let them boil until they're fully done. It should take at least about 20 minutes to half an hour depending how hot the water is. Okay, now you can see the rice has been boiling for some time and they're fully done. I'm going to strain them and then come back to our next step. Add the half cup of clarified butter or ghee in our pan. At the same time, I'm going to add half cup of water. And the sugar. Let the sugar dissolve. I'm going to mix them all. So the sugar gets dissolved nicely. Once the sugar starts dissolving, I'm going to add plain yogurt, which is about 1 tablespoon. As you can see, sugar is nearly dissolved. Now you can see the sugar is all been dissolved. I'm going to add the plain yogurt and let it cook on high heat for 2 minutes so the yogurt is dissolved and mixed in nicely. And now at this point I'm going to add our strained yellow rice. Mix them all in. I'm going to let it cook on high heat for a couple of minutes, then turn the flame down to the lowest setting. Cover it, let it cook for a couple of minutes. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes and it has been cooking. At this point, I'm going to add nuts and the fruit. There are 150 grams of glacé cherries, which has been cut into quarters, about quarter cup of sultanas, quarter cup of flaked almonds, and about 15 grams of pistachio. At this point, I'm going to add them all in here. And let them cook on low heat for about half an hour, and until the water has been soaked in the rice. And we'll see you in half an hour. Okay, now you can see we turn the flame off and it's ready. I'm going to dish it out. You can see all the water and has been absorbed by the rice. And it's cooked very nicely. All the rice have all the flavor in it. There you are. That's a perfect Zarda, or called sweet rice, made by cultural cuisine.